What's up guys, CKid here, and today's video, man, we're going to be focusing on the Samsung Galaxy Buds and all of the touch controls and gestures that you guys can use with your iPhone XS Max. Now, I also just did a video showcasing to you guys all of the touch controls that you guys can do on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, as well as the Samsung Galaxy S10 and S10e as well, or any other Android devices that are out there. But this video here, we're mainly going to be focusing on the iPhone XS Max or any iOS device and using a lot of these touch controls on the Samsung Galaxy Buds. So without further ado, man, you guys asked for it, so let's go ahead and get into it. CSQUAD, yeah, we started something great. My goals on the horizon, I'm just cleaning off my plate. Listen up, we got tech so passionate, keeps the fire going higher. 100K still a goal, which I'm inspired. Hey, links for my peoples, they buying sequels. I'm just here to keep it peaceful, so comment after these bars. Share, like, subscribe, we moving closer to these stars. Another video is here, so sit back, it's up to par. Let's go. All right, welcome back, guys. Now I'm basically going to be using the exact same format that I showed you guys using the Samsung Galaxy Buds on the Galaxy S10 Plus and any other Android device. But in this video, like I said, I'm going to be focusing mainly on the iPhone XS Max or any iOS device. Now I'm going to be breaking this video down again into two different parts. I'm going to be showing you guys all of the touch controls and gestures using for your audio or any type of video you guys may be playing on your devices, as well as breaking it down as far as phone calls and different things like that you may be using these Galaxy Buds for. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get into the audio side of things, man. I'm gonna go ahead and pop these into my ear, just like so. Now I've already paired these once, so they're gonna go ahead and pair real easy, just like that. Heard the sound, they are paired. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I already have Spotify open here. I got one of my favorites artists is up here, Mr. J. Cole, man. Shout out to him. If you guys aren't familiar with him, which I hope you guys are, I will have his information down below. But anyway, if you guys want to go ahead and play your audio, I have a song here already queued up. Now, all you guys have to do is just tap once. And just like that, your audio will begin playing on the track. Now, I do notice that once you actually have them connected, you do have to tap it once before it initializes, and then you tap again. Then after that, all you have to do is just tap once for playing and pausing your music. And just like that, I was able to pause my music. And now I can tap once and I can play my music, pause my music. Now, if I want to go ahead and switch it over and show you guys on the left side, I can do the exact same thing. Tap once, play and pause my music just like so. Now, if I want to go ahead and skip to the next track, all I have to do is double tap. And it's going to go ahead and go to the next track that you have in your playlist or whatever list that you guys are listening to your music from. And this is the exact same thing for YouTube as well. So if I want to go ahead and pause this, I'll go ahead and tap once again. Now you can also triple tap, and that will take you back to the previous song. But since I don't actually have a Spotify account, I won't be able to go backwards with my music. But those controls do work, as I did test them out using music that is in my library here. Now, the other things that I want to tell you guys about is the volume controls. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with my video I did on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, you do have the option to be able to tap and hold on whichever one that you guys have dedicated within the Galaxy Wearables app. You do have the option to be able to tap and hold, and that is going to actually lower the that's actually going to go ahead and lower the volume that you guys have. But since you guys don't have that option of the Galaxy Wearables app on the iPhone XS Max or any iOS device, you are not able to lower the volume using the Galaxy Buds. You still have to go in and use the volume rockers on the side of the phone. Again, not that big of a deal, but it is something that I must note to you guys. And no, you cannot preset it over on a Galaxy device in that Wearables app and transfer that same EQ settings or the same touch controls that you guys have in the Galaxy Wearables app. You cannot transfer those over to the iPhone XS Max or any iOS device. Now that pretty much ends things on the audio side of things. Now let's go ahead and move on over to the call side of things. Now, if you guys want to be able to answer a phone call, all you guys have to do is double tap, and it is going to go ahead and pick up that phone call for you so you can begin your conversation. Now, if you want to end that phone call, again, just double tap and it is going to end that phone call. Now, if you guys want to be able to ignore a phone call, let's say someone's calling you and you don't feel like talking to them at the moment, for whoever that may be, all you guys have to do is just simply press and hold on it, And that can be on either side. You can just press a hold on the left one, or you can press a hold on the right one, and it will ignore the phone call. Now, last thing I want to mention to you guys is that there is a touch and hold feature with the Galaxy Buds using them on iOS devices, and that is to activate Siri. Now, if I was to go ahead right here, here's my home screen. Now, if I was to go ahead and press and hold on one, it's going to go ahead and launch up Siri, and just like so, you can be able to ask her any questions that you guys want. But yeah, so that pretty much wraps up the video, man, about the Samsung Galaxy Buds and all of the touch controls that you guys can do with the iOS devices that you guys may have, whether it's iPhone 8 or 7 or 6 or, you know, 10s or whatever iPhone that you guys have. These are going to be the touch controls for the Galaxy Buds for you guys. So if you guys have any questions, if you like this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, as well as if you guys have any questions that you guys have about the Galaxy Buds with the iPhone, go ahead and leave them down in the comment section below, as I always get back to you guys with those answers. So without further ado, man, that's pretty much going to wrap up this video. Thanks again for watching. Be different, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.